Register now for our free webinar. If you think it's high time you embraced artificial intelligence, AI, or you're under pressure to get jobs done on time, within budget, and without quibble, then learn how to harness the power of AI so you can save time, money, and stress. Master simple, practical, and powerful steps so you can delegate and automate the jobs you hate, don't have time for, and don't want to do. If that sounds like you, then register for our free webinar now. Whether you want to automate key tasks, create content, improve your management skills, or simply want to avoid becoming a dinosaur and victim of an extinction level event in your industry, then you need to evolve and become more efficient, effective, and productive using artificial intelligence. You need to learn how to embrace AI and reclaim your life. You need to attend our free webinar now. We'll share real results and actual case study examples and a powerful, practical, and proven process to embrace AI and conquer the digital age. We'll introduce you to our very own framework to help you achieve your goals and objectives. So register your details on the link on this page and you'll be registered instantly. We only have a very limited number of seats for our free webinar, and these events do fill up fast. So please register now and you'll receive a free copy of our book just for attending. What are you waiting for? Take action. Register now and get on point, on form, and on fire with AI. Thank you.